We do have a tech tip quiz that I had last week, and nobody answered it.
I don't know why, because the consequences of winning are so tremendous.
They
all you
always
have to do is go look on Facebook, and you can see the picture of what the C&C Bling looks like.
Oh, that is true. Tell us a little bit about what you did.
We were in Colorado with my family, and we had enough C&C Bling with us so that everybody wore the hat, the T-shirt, and had the mug. And just to let you know that the C&C Bling looks good coming and going, there's a picture facing the camera the way the producer would like us to do. And then there's another one backside. Go look at that so you can see what's at stake to get a right answer.
Yeah, that's at C&C Auto Show on Facebook. While you're there, go ahead and give it a like, follow it, and that way you'll get notifications when these shows are about to begin.
Yep.
And you can have your own deal, a bling party.